Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland Family. 1. Which of the following represents the phenotypic ratio in a dihybrid cross? A. 9, 3, 3, 1. B. 3, 1. C. 1, 2, 1. D. 1, 1. Answer. A. 9, 3, 3, 1. Explanation. In a dihybrid cross, where two traits are considered, the phenotypic ratio of the offspring follows the classic 9, 3, 3, 1 ratio, with 9 showing both dominant traits, 3 showing one dominant and one recessive trait, and 1 showing both recessive traits. 2. In a Mendelian monohybrid cross, the recessive trait reappears in the F2 generation in what ratio? A. 9, 3, 3, 1. B. 1, 2, 1. C. 3, 1. D. 2, 1. Answer. C. 3, 1. Explanation. In a monohybrid cross involving a dominant and recessive trait, the F1 generation shows the dominant phenotype, while in the F2 generation, the ratio of dominant to recessive traits reappears as 3, 1. 3. What does the term genotype refer to? A. The physical expression of a trait. B. The combination of alleles present. C. A single recessive trait. D. A dominant phenotype. Answer. B. The combination of alleles present. Explanation. Genotype refers to the genetic makeup of an organism, specifically the combination of alleles, genes, an individual possesses for a given trait. 4. The process by which unrelated organisms develop similar traits due to similar environments is called A. Divergent evolution. B. Convergent evolution. C. Adaptive radiation. D. Speciation. Answer. B. Convergent evolution. Explanation. Convergent evolution occurs when unrelated organisms evolve similar adaptations or traits as a result of living in similar environments or ecological niches, despite not sharing a common ancestor for those traits. 5. In a test cross, what is the purpose of crossing the F1 hybrid with a homozygous recessive individual? A. To determine the genotype of the F1 hybrid. B. To create more dominant individuals. C. To produce all homozygous offspring. D. To increase genetic diversity. Answer. A. To determine the genotype of the F1 hybrid. Explanation. A test cross is performed to determine whether the F1 hybrid is homozygous dominant or heterozygous by crossing it with a homozygous recessive individual. 6. What is the chromosomal basis of sex determination in humans? A. XY system. B. ZW system. C. XO system. D. Haplodiploid system. Answer. A. XY system. Explanation. In humans, the XY system determines sex. Males have XY chromosomes, while females have XX chromosomes. The presence of the Y chromosome leads to male development. 7. Which scientist proposed the theory of natural selection? A. Gregor Mendel. B. Charles Darwin. C. Hugo de Vries. D. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Answer. B. Charles Darwin. Explanation. Charles Darwin proposed the theory of natural selection, explaining how organisms with favorable traits are more likely to survive and reproduce, leading to the gradual evolution of species. 8. Which of the following is an example of an autosomal recessive disorder? A. Hemophilia. B. Down syndrome. C. Sickle cell anemia. D. Turner syndrome. Answer. C. Sickle cell anemia. Explanation. Sickle cell anemia is an example of an autosomal recessive disorder, meaning two copies of the recessive allele, one from each parent, must be inherited for the disorder to be expressed. 9. What is a phenomenon where one gene affects multiple traits called? A. Polygenic inheritance. B. Epistasis. C. Pleiotropy. D. Incomplete dominance. Answer: C. Pleiotropy. Explanation: Pleiotropy occurs when a single gene influences multiple phenotypic traits. An example is the gene responsible for sickle cell anemia, which affects various systems in the body. 10. The law of independent assortment applies to which of the following? A. Genes located on the same chromosome. B. Genes located on different chromosomes. C. Linked genes. D. Sex-linked genes. Answer: B. Genes located on different chromosomes. Explanation: The law of independent assortment states that genes for different traits are distributed to gametes independently of one another, but this law applies primarily to genes located on different chromosomes. Please subscribe for more update. Please like and share comment for more video. Thanking you for watching.